Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to import, export, edit, and add an effect to your video using Adobe Premiere Pro CS5. Works on any current version, or I believe any earlier version up to CS4. Okay, so here we go. By the way, I'm running a lacy 500 gig, 7200 RPM drive, Firewire 800. I'm not sure if I said that already. Anyway, this is the optimal, the most, I'm gonna say the best, but the standard you should just you should be using the 7200 RPM drive if you're gonna be doing video editing, so that way playback and everything is smooth. But anyway, let's continue and move forward. Okay, Adobe Premiere. Let's call this tutorial. Okay, now scratch this. It'll be same as your project. Yeah, we can replace that. Alright, normally you'll start up a sequence here, but me, I don't like to start up a sequence here because it's too difficult to figure out what, you're recording your video in, even though these are, essentials that you should know. It's not really, necessary to have to open up the sequence and do it this way. That's a slower process. A much faster process would be to just, what's happening here? I'm running Camtasia, so I'm guessing it's being kind of slow. Alright, much faster process. And just to come here, import, Command I is the short key. Find your video. Now mine was HDPVR. Okay, is this video? See, it's 757 megabytes. It's gonna be much smaller once we edit it and get what we need from it. Importing. Now, first off, we double click to view it. Okay, there's gonna be a new item right here. That's gonna create the sequence for us. Okay, now if you click on this, actually, you can see create sequence and all that other stuff. Now, we used to click on this, it brings you to that screen that we had earlier, which I do not want. Okay, now, since I want to edit the video, I'm going to delete what's in here. Select on this again to look at my video. Alright, now if I wanted to edit a video, edit this video actually, I would click I for set my endpoint, which is right there. It came up right here, as you can see. And then set my out point, which is the point where I want the video or the clip to actually end. The clip that I'm going to be taking from the actual video. So let's play it. Set my in. Set my out. I killed him. That's it. I want that. Now insert. Press the command key for insert, or you press right here. Okay, and it took our video, a little clip that we edited, and it's right here now. Okay, we're going to take the whole last part. Now we could come over here and look at effects. We have video effects. Well, what I want to use is the transition. A lot of people like transitions. So I'm going to look for a center split. Take this, drag it over here. Now it should, there you go. See, when this happens right here, that means you need to render your work area. So I'm going to render my entire work area. Should be fairly fast. I'm just going to pause this, even though it's a short pause, and bring it back when it's time. Now this is rendered, as you can see, with the green bar is rendered. I don't even watch it. See, okay, you see that smooth transition it made? Nice, that's nice, right? Okay, so you can edit more of that in effects, but also color correction and everything else I can show in another tutorial. Anyway, let's say I want to export this now. Export, which is Command M. Let me just go up here, do it that way as well. Now for the video settings, this was recorded in 60 frames per second. I want square pixels, high, profile, 5.1, render maximum bit depth, VBR2 pass is what I use. Now this was recorded on 14 megabytes per second using my HD PVR gaming edition on my PS3. So since it was recorded at 14 megabytes per second, you know, to compress the video a little bit, you can bring it down to 10, between 5 and 10, or you know, whatever you're gonna use. Now if you was using DSLR video, you know, I wouldn't suggest going anywhere lower than 45 megabytes per second. But for this video, since I know what it was recorded at using HD PVR capture, the software, which is actually this right here. It's a great program, only $30 if you're using Mac. Anyway, using that was 14 megabytes per second, so I can actually bring this up to 14. Oh, sorry. I can actually bring it up to 14. Bring this up to probably around 10. Okay, and for audio, I use stereo, high quality output, 192. Now, if I was bringing in anything else as far as like a song that I did, whatever cases, I would use. I guess I don't have it for this one. I'd use 320. Normally goes up to 320. I don't know why it's not there now. I would have to see. Oh, so we're using AAAC. That's very important. 48 kilohertz. High. Okay, now see it goes up to 320, but I'll put it at 192 for this video, and then select my output destination. Change the name. Export it. Now, once it's exported, I'm gonna come back. Okay, guys. Now this was exported. But anyway, if you want to see the quality of what we have done here, you can go to my YouTube page, and I will take you guys there. YouTube page is okay. Official Virus Clan. I have two videos here. Let's play the one. Play it in HD. My internet's a little slow, so might not load up right away. But if you guys can go check it out, that'd be great. My internet's not very great at the moment because I have my PS3 on and stuff like that. Anyway, you guys get the idea. Once again, I'm sorry. Once again, it's Official Virus Clan. If you guys can see that, let me zoom in for you guys. Official Virus with 2 eyes Clan. You can go there, watch my tutorials. If you have any requests, if you need any more tutorials, you can add me on YouTube and on PSN, which is virus underscore hitman with 2 eyes, and virus clash, virus death, virus alpha. We have a lot of great players. So if you think your clan is better than ours, let's 1v1. I can post the aftermath online. Thank you.